Hey, welcome to the website. This is a quick video about how long you have to file a car accident injury claim in Nova Scotia. So the short answer and the best answer is 2 years. However, there are some exceptions to that. Occasionally, you can get it extended from 2 years up to 4 years. To do that, you basically will end up having to go to the judge, probably through a lawyer, go to the judge and say, hey, judge, I'm sorry I'm late. I have an excuse. So what the court will do, they'll look at a number of different factors. I won't go into hard detail, but basically it's a fairness test. They look at how late you actually were, the reasons you were late, whether you got legal advice, whether the defendant told you there's a 2-year time limit. They'll look at all these factors, whether witnesses forgot things, whether there's papers that have been destroyed, things like that. So they look at the length of and the reasons for a delay, then they do a fairness test. Fairness to you and to the defendant. And it's possible, the court has the discretion to extend the claim to up to 4 years post-car accident. But it's not guaranteed by a long stretch, and you should definitely file the claim within 2 years if you possibly can. If you're late and it's within 4 years, don't give up. There's still hope, but move quickly. Another exception is for somebody who's under 19. The time limit doesn't start to run until they actually turn 19. So they have 2 years from the date they turn 19 until their 21st birthday. Even if they're in a car accident when they were 5 years old or 12 years old, whatever age they were at the car accident, it doesn't matter. The time limit of 2 years does not start running until they turn 19. And then it ends on their 21st birthday, 2 years after they turn 19. In theory, that person could apply to have the time limit extended to 4 years, but they shouldn't chance that. They should definitely file the claim by their 21st birthday. A third exception is if somebody is incapacitated. I'm not sure if I spelled that right. But anyway, that means that they're probably mentally unable to appreciate what's going on. And for those people, the time limit would not start until they became able to appreciate what's going on. That could be a clean example and a tragic example is someone who's in a coma. If they're in a coma and they don't sort of come back miraculously, say in 2.5 years, the time limit wouldn't start until they came out of the coma. But it doesn't quite have to be that severe, but it does have to be a serious incapacity to give them an excuse for going beyond the time limit. So in short, to recap, how long do you have to file a car accident claim in Nova Scotia if you've been injured? The best answer and the safest answer is 2 years. But in most areas of law, including this one, there's always exceptions and twists, but go with the 2 years and you'll be safe. Thank you.